Hi, welcome back to another nail art video. I hope you have subscribed to my channel as I post easy nail art videos every Monday and Friday. And also click on the bell icon so you get notified as soon as I post a new video. In today's video, I am going to recreate my own nail art design, and it is a Moroccan nail design that I created quite a while ago on my channel. I just love Moroccan designs so much that I felt I need to recreate it again in some summer colors. I really hope you will enjoy this video. And if you're looking for instructions on how to create this nail art design, there are full instructions in the previous video, which I will link it right above, or you can also click on the link in the description box. I really hope you enjoy this nail art video. Thanks so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.